5 times 12. That's true. That's true also. Let's, to make it easy, let's use 10. So 10 times 6. And what's 10 as a power of 10? So let's say, so you know how, so 10 squared equals 100. 10 to the what equals 10? 1. Good job. So 60 equals 6 times 10 also equals 6 times 10 to the first. Right? Yeah. So 60, because 10 to the first is the same as 10, right? So we just wrote it a different way. This is just a new way to write it. Okay? I know it seems ridiculous, but when we get to these big numbers, it helps a lot. Okay. So we finished. Okay. So number 5. If a person is 10 times taller than the person from Rob Dingnag, how many times taller than Gulliver is this person? So let's see. So this person is 10 times taller than the person who is already 10 times taller than Gulliver. So this person is, good job. So it's 60 feet times another 100. So now this person is 600 feet. So this person is 600 feet tall, which equals 6 times 10 times 10 equals 6 times 10 squared. Right? See that? So we have 10 times 10 is 10 squared. It's the same thing. Okay. Alright, so now we want to write an expression using Gulliver's height and a power of 10. So what did I just show you? Let me write it with a power of 10. 6 times 10 squared. To the power of 2. Good job. Alright. Alright. So let's talk about real quick. Let's talk about scientific notation. So this is called scientific notation. This new expression that we wrote here and here. Right? And you don't really need it when you have small numbers like 60 or 600. But say you have 6 billion, okay, and you want to write that. Instead of writing out all these zeros, you can write it a different way. So here we have 6 and 2 zeros, right? So it ends up being 6 times 10 squared. So how many zeros are up here? 9. So does anybody have a guess of how we can write that in scientific notation? Yeah. Good job. So it's 6 times 10 to the power of 9. Because what we did is we took this decimal, we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we just have 6 on this side of the decimal. 6 is our whole number times 10 to the 9. Okay. So then here we have 43 quintillion, which has 18 zeros. So who wants to guess what that is in scientific notation? Okay, so this is 43 times 10 to the 18. But here's one of our rules in scientific notation. Our whole number, right here, has to be between 0 and 10. So you have to make sure the decimal goes in here. Does that make sense? That's just the rule for scientific notation. Is that your number on this side of the decimal has to be between 0 and 10. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the rest of the numbers after it are on the right side of the decimal point, which means that they're decimal. Okay? So this, in correct scientific notation, is actually going to be 43 times 10, let's see, if we move the decimal over 1, when we multiply it by 10, we'll have to move it in extra space. So we have 18, but then we have to move it in extra space so that we get 43. Sorry, 4.3 times. So you're moving it 1, and then you're moving it 18 zeros. So you move the decimal 1 spot, and then 18 more times for all the zeros. So you already have 18 zeros, and then you need 1 extra spot. So what's the power of 10 going to be? 19. Good job. Okay. So because you have to move it an extra spot and then do all the zeros, it's 19. So this is still 43 quintillion. But see, isn't this a lot smaller to write than all those zeros? Yes? Okay. Good. Okay. So for this one, let's see. Someone tell me, let's see, Noel, where should we put the decimal? If our first number has to be just one number, where should we put the decimal?
Between the 2 and the 1.
Okay. And then how many spaces are after that? How many spaces are after that? Roberto? 1, 2, 7. Okay? So this is going to equal 2.9. Then we also have a 4. 904 times 10 to the what, Roberto? 7. That's how we get our decimal move, right? So if we had, it's just like if we had 1 times 10 to the third, we have 1, and then we move the decimal 3 spaces, and voila, we get 1,000. Okay, so let's go back to our worksheet. On the next page, we're on number 7. I want you guys